Hello guys, welcome to your favorite math channel. This is your math exam coach. Before we get into this question, please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new. If you are a returning viewer, make sure that you like and share. But I also wanted to tell you guys that we have a WhatsApp channel as well. I will put the details of that, link of that channel in the comments. Make sure that you follow that channel as well so you get frequent updates on what tutorials will be given. Alright, so today's question is an interesting one. We're given an expression y over y minus 1 minus 1/3 equals to 5 over y plus 3. We want to show that it reduces to y squared minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. So this is our end goal, which is y squared minus 6y plus 8. And we are starting here. So now we have seen similar things. So we have 1/3 is just these are fractions. So we can think of this in terms of fractions. And how do we handle fractions? We handle fractions by expressing them using the common denominator. That's one way we can simplify that. Right, so let's go in that direction. Right. So we have y minus 1 minus 1 over 3 equals to 5 over y plus 1. Alright, so what we can do if we want to simplify this, we can multiply. So we can multiply each fraction. We can multiply each fraction by all the denominators. Right, so if we do that, we are going to reduce this to the simplest form. So let's do that. Let's multiply every one of these by all the denominators. So the first expression here becomes y. We're going to multiply by the first one, y minus 1, by 3, and y plus 1. This is still all over y minus 1 minus, this is all over 3. So we're going to multiply that by 3, y minus 1, y plus 1, which is equals to all over y plus 1, 5. We're going to multiply y plus 1, y minus 1, and 3. Right, so this is what we have so far. We can simplify this easily. So this y minus 1 will cancel this y minus 1. This 3 will cancel this 3. This y plus 1 will cancel this y plus 1. So then what are we left with? So let's go further here. So we're left with the first expression just becomes 3y plus 1, because we cancelled the y minus 1 on the numerator and the denominator, right? So that's what we get. Then the second expression is just going to be y minus 1, y plus 1 is equals to 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by y minus 1. Right, so now, once we do that, our job now is to just expand this. So 3y times y, that's 3y squared. 3y times 1, that's going to be 3y. So here minus, so we can put this here. So y times y is going to be y squared plus y minus y minus 1 equals to 5 times 3 is equals to 15. So 15y minus 15. So we can simplify this. 3y squared plus 3y becomes minus y squared. This is y minus y, so this is 0. So minus minus, that becomes plus 1 equals to 15y minus 15. So 3y squared minus y squared, this becomes 2y squared plus 3y plus 1 equals to 15y minus 15. And then we can move the left hand side, the right hand side to the left hand side. So we can simplify this to 2y squared plus 3y minus 15y plus 1 plus 15 is equals to 0. So what do we end up with? We end up with 2y squared minus 12y plus 16 is equals to 0. As you can see here, we can divide everything here by 2. So now we have y squared minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. So this is what we wanted to show. We wanted to show that this equation reduces to y squared minus 6y plus 8. We did that by simplifying the fractions there, and we get y squared minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. So we have shown what we wanted to show, so that is the end of our tutorial. Please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to check out our WhatsApp channel as well. Until next time, goodbye for now.